Hey everybody, I was sent this 4-pack of reusable cleaning sponges for free so I could check them out and do a review for you. So just so you know, the ones I got, they come in a 4-pack. I know there's other options, you can get other colors and other pack sizes, but the ones that got sent to me, 4-pack of the pink. So they come individually wrapped, and the reason for that is because they're pre-moistened. And the reason they're pre-moistened is because when they dry out, they get really hard. And they're not pliable anymore. And it's not a problem. You just simply re-wet them again because it's going to happen after you use it and set them aside to dry, but it's just how they come packaged. But if they show up and they're not like soft how they are, how these ones are, not a problem. Again, run it under water for 20 or 30 seconds and you're good to go. So what I really like about these sponges, for one, is that they have all of these different grooves in it. Hopefully you can see them there. But the reason that's important is because that's what does a good job at locking in all of the extra dirt and dust and stuff as you're cleaning. Without that, you have a much better chance of that stuff just kind of falling on the floor. But having these grooves, it does a good job at really holding onto the dirt. I took this off my wall. This is my cold air register return. I could have left it on the floor, but I wanted to really try to do my best to make it so you could see how good it actually cleans. It would have been a little harder on the floor. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to wipe these out so you can see how good it works. So you just kind of push in there. And I don't know how well you can see on the camera, but I know me personally right now while I'm wiping it, it's pulling out just a ton of dirt and dust out of my register covers. So hopefully you can see how clean that is. But I mean, I've used other rags and stuff, you know, and they can wipe off the surface, but these having these notches and being so pliable, it's actually pushing up inside of there and it's cleaning, looks like almost all the way to the back of the register, which is really good. So then the other thing that I really like, besides having all the notches in there, is that it's super easy to clean. I mean, I've used them on some of my other registers, and even with all the grooves, you can just take it over to your sink, run it under water, wipe it, and all the dirt and dust, it just comes right out, washes down the drain, and then it's ready for you again. So, I mean, it gets super clean, super easy to clean out, and they also hold a ton of water too. Like, I'm super surprised and impressed at how much water they're able to hold without leaking and dripping all over. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna say definitely these cleaning sponges are worth it. I think I'm gonna be using them and I won't have to replace them. I don't think very often, if at all. Probably, I don't know. Honestly, I think they're probably good for a year for me to have this 4-pack just doing my regular household day-to-day cleaning. Which will save me a ton of money on other types of cleaning sponges and rags and stuff. So I'm super happy with them. I really do like it.